back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 14th to the 18th of April 2025 on Monday. Babeile and Cheula uncovers evidence linking Khopane to a devastating crime. Two boys point fingers at each other in the midst of chaos on Tuesday. Salamina receives shocking news about her husband, sending her into a tailspin. Mapitsi fears that Leto may have discovered his secret office meeting with DJ Thomas on Wednesday. Babeile vows to stop at nothing to ensure justice is served. Mapitsi's relief at Leto not being a problem in a short-lived as a new complication arises on Thursday. DJ Thomas goes on a date with Mapitsi's nemesis. Tension escalates into a physical confrontation between John Maputla's sons on Friday. Cracks begin to appear in Mapitsi's seemingly perfect affair. Leto issues a chilling warning to Kwaito. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome back.